Good morning, my dear students. Our chapter number 11 of physics second is going on, which is ray optics. Okay. In this chapter, we learn spherical mirror, reflection by the mirror, reflection by the mirror, and some other topics. Today, we start a new topic which is very important, which is a lens. Okay, so our today topic is lens. What is lens? Lens is a homogeneous transparent medium which is made by two spherical surfaces or one spherical surface and other plane surface. This is called lens. Okay, it means a transparent, a homogeneous transparent medium which is made of two spherical like this. These are two spherical surfaces, or one is plane surface and other is a spherical surface. Then this type of a system, this type of a arrangement is called lens. Okay, so this is lens. You clear it? What is lens? Means दो spherical surfaces और एक प्लेन और एक स्फेरिकल सरफेस से कवर्ड या बना हुआ एक ऐसा आपके पास में घिरा हुआ होमोजीनियस ट्रांसपेरेंट मीडियम को ही क्या कहेंगे अपन? लेंस कहेंगे. क्लियर इट? दिस इज लेंस. दिस लेंस कैन बी स्फेरिकल. दिस लेंस कैन बी spherical, parabolic, or cylindrical. Okay, this lens can be spherical, parabolic, or a cylindrical. Okay, mainly this lens are of two types. First is convex lens. Convex lenses, and another one is concave lenses. First, we discussed about convex lens. The lens which are thinner at the corner and thicker at the center. Means thinner at the corner like this and thicker at the middle part at the center. This type of a lens is called concave lens. Okay, this is convex lens. Means जो लेंस यहाँ पे कॉर्नर से क्या होगा? कॉर्नर से यहाँ से कॉर्नर से होगा थिन और मिडिल पार्ट से क्या होगा? थिक होगा. देन इस टाइप के लेंस को अपन क्या कहेंगे? कॉन्वेक्स लेंस. Okay, and this lens converts a parallel beam of light after reflection. Means suppose this light incident on this lens, then after the refraction, these rays focus at a point of this principal axis. So this type of a lens also called, the other name of this convergent lens. It means these lenses converge the rays, so they are called convergent lenses. Okay, another one is concave lens. What is concave lens? The lens which are thinner at the center and thicker at the corner. Means like this. This lens, you can easily see that thinner at the center, means here this is thick and this is thin and this is thick. मीन्स यहां से क्या होगा, ऐसा लेंस जो कि मिडल पार्ट से होगा थिन एंड कॉर्नर पार्ट से क्या होगा, ठीक होगा, ऐसे लेंस को अपन क्या कहेंगे, कॉनकेव लेंस कहेंगे। क्लियर? दिस टाइप ऑफ लेंस इज कॉल्ड कॉनकेव लेंस and this lens diverts a parallel beam of light on refraction through it. Means this type, this is okay, this lenses diverts the rays. Suppose this is principal axis, then after the refraction this ray going through this way and this ray going through this way, means these lenses diverge the rays, so these are called divergent lenses, and this is called convergent lenses. Okay, these are other names of these lenses for convex convergent lenses and for concave divergent lenses. Okay, both these lenses are again of three types. So first is for convex lens, first for convexo convex, or other name of this double convex lens. It is the meaning of this lens clear from the namely, means convex, or we can say double convex. It means in this lens both surfaces are convex type, like this is a convex surface, this is also a convex surface, so this lens is called convexo or double convex surface. Okay, and the radius of curvature, this is suppose r1, this is r2, so radius of curvature of both surfaces can be same or different. Okay, next second type is plano convex. In this lens one surface is plane and another surface is spherical. One surface is plane and other surface is spherical, like this is plane surface and this is spherical, means convex surface. This is convex surface, means in this lens one surface is plane and another one is convex. This type of lens is called plano convex. Okay, and the radius of this plane surface is infinity. Okay, now third is concave convex. Third type of lens is concave convex. What is concave convex? In this lens one surface is concave and another one is convex, means this is concave type surface. Okay, and this is a convex type surface, so this type of lens is called concave convex lens. Here the curvature of radius of curvature of both surfaces are different. Okay, these are the type of convex lens. Now next is types of concave lenses. So first is concave or other name is double concave lens. First is concave or double concave lens. In this lens both surfaces are concave, means this type both surfaces are concave, then this lens is called concave or double concave. Okay, and in this lens the radius of curvature of both surfaces can be same or different. Okay. Second is plano concave. Plano concave lens. You can easily see that plano concave. So in this lens, one side is plane, means first side is plane like this, and another second side is concave like this. So this type of a lens is plano concave lens. Okay, again the radius of plane surface is infinity. So third type of a concave lens is convexo convexo concave lens. Convexo concave lens means in this lens first side is convex and second side is concave, means one side is convex like this, this is convex, and other side is concave like this. So this type of a lens is called convexo concave lens. Okay, so this is the introduction of about the lens. These are some important parts, important type of lenses. Clarity. Now we learn some definition with related to lenses. Now we discuss about some definitions. First is principal axis. First is principal axis. What is principal axis? A line joining the two centers of curvature of two spherical surfaces is called principal axis. Like this means जो both spherical surfaces हैं दोनों के सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर्स को ज्वाइन करने वाली जो लाइन है उसी लाइन को अपन क्या कहेंगे? प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस. सपोज दैट दिस इज द center of curvature of this surface and this is center of curvature of this surface, then this line joining the two center of curvatures, this is called principal axis. Okay, this is principal axis. Next is second definition is thin lens. What is thin lens? Means in this lens the means valence की thickness compared to radius of curvatures is neglected. It means it's very small. Then this type of lens is called thin lens. Okay, clarity means this is thin lens. The thickness of this lens is neglected. It's very small compared to it radius of curvatures of both surfaces. So this type of lens is thin lens. Now our third definition is optical center. Optical center. What is optical center? The point is on principal axis. The ray passing through this point after refraction are parallel to the incident ray. Suppose this is a lens and this is principal axis, means at this point on this principal axis the ray passing through the point after the reflection like this. Suppose this is incident ray and after the refraction this ray parallel to incident ray. So this point is known as optical center. Okay, or we can say the point on inner part of the lens which divides the thickness of this length into the ratio of radius of curvatures of both surfaces. Means here this is suppose P1 point and this is P2 point. Then this OP1 upon OP2 is equals to R1 upon R2. मीन्स एक्सिस पे वह पॉइंट जो कि उसके थिकनेस है, लेंस की थिकनेस को उसकी रेडियस ऑफ कर्वेचर्स के रेशियो में डिवाइड करेगा, उसी पॉइंट को अपन ऑप्टिकल सेंटर कहेंगे. इट मीन्स हेयर OP1 डिस्टेंस अपॉन OP2 इज इक्वल्स टू R1 अपॉन R2. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज फर्स्ट फोकस. Next point is fast focus. What is fast focus? The point on principal axis from which rays coming in convex lens or appears to move towards concave lens after refraction becomes parallel to principal axis. It means suppose this is a lens. Okay, this is a convex lens and a point on this principal axis which rays coming from this point after the reflection, these rays parallel to this principal axis. So this point is called first focus and this is denoted by F1. Okay, and for concave, these rays appears to move towards and after the refraction these rays becomes parallel to principal axis. Next is second focus. Next is second focus. A point on principal axis when the rays parallel to principal axis, the rays coming parallel to principal axis like this. This is convex lens and this is principal axis. Suppose this ray coming parallel to this principal axis, then after the refraction these rays intersect at this point, then this point is called second focus and this is denoted by F2. Okay, clear it? Means rays parallel to principal axis and incidence on the lens after the refraction they are converge at a point, and or we can say appears to converge at a point on principal axis, then this point is called second focus and this is denoted by F2. Okay, next definition is focal length. This is very simple. The distance between focus point and optical center, the distance between focus point and optical center is known as focal length. This is also two types. First is first focal length. Means the distance between first focus point and optical center is called first focal length and this is denoted by small f1. Here capital F1 denoted the first focus point, but small f1 is denoted the first focal length. Second is second focal length. This is similar to first focal length. It means the distance between optical center and second focus point is called second focal length. Means here this is optical center O and this is second focus point F2. Then the distance between O and F2 is called second focal length and this is denoted by small f2. Okay, here capital F2 is denote the second focus point, but small f2 is denote the second focal length. So our next definition is focal plane. Focal plane. A plane which is passing through the focus point, and perpendicular to principal axis. So this plane is called focal plane. Again repeat, means वह प्लेन जो फोकल जो फोकस पॉइंट से पास आउट होगा, पासिंग करेगा, एंड जो प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस है उस प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस के क्या होगा, परपेंडिकुलर होगा. देन दिस टाइप ऑफ प्लेन इज कॉल्ड फोकल प्लेन. सपोज दिस इज द कॉन्वेक्स लेंस एंड दिस इज optical center O, this is f1 focus point and this is f2 second focus point. Suppose this is a plane and this plane is passing through these focus points and perpendicular to principal axis, then this plane is called this plane. Suppose this is a plane, so this plane is called focal plane. Okay, clear it. So these are the some definition related to lens. These are very important, so carefully remember it. Okay, in next class we learn a very important topic which is lens maker formula. So don't miss our next class. Okay, to be continued. If you like this video, then like it, and if you have any doubts, then comment your doubt in comment box. Thank you.